The monster.
Last winter, I travelled to the Rocky Mountains for a skiing holiday. I was really excited as I wanted to visit the Banff National Park and see Bigfoot. We started our journey in the morning. We soon arrived at the national park. I wanted to take some photographs, so I walked into the forest. Suddenly, a creature that looked like a monkey appeared from behind a tree. Was it Bigfoot? I wondered. I stepped back in surprise and shouted for help. My family tried to calm me down. A few seconds later, my dad started laughing.
It's not Bigfoot, Jim. It's a man. Look.
He was right. The man appeared from behind the trees. He was very tall and he had a big, thick coat. I started laughing too, at my mistake. We had a great time in the national park and we all enjoyed the scenery. It's a pity Bigfoot wasn't there though.